Hello and welcome to Positive Vibes with Henry Sir. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos and you can even follow us on Instagram too. Since the last 18 years that I have spent as a faculty for personal training and counseling, the most common factor that I've observed is many people are having a lot of stress in their lives. In fact, the most common question asked to me during these trainings by majority people is how to overcome stress. To answer this, we must understand what stress really is. Stress is a situation in the mind which is developed as an end result of thoughts, either related to our past or future. Well, let me give you an easy example to understand this. A man was carrying pots of milk on his shoulders on his way back home from the market. After covering a certain distance, all of a sudden, one of the pots slipped from his shoulders and fell down and broke into pieces. But surprisingly, instead of stopping to have a look as to what had happened, the man kept on walking. Another man, who had been witness to the incident, rushed towards him and asked him to stop. Don't you know that the pot of milk you were carrying has fallen? He asked him. Don't you realize you have lost the milk? The man calmly replied, Yes, I do. Astonished by his answer, the other man asked him once again, Then why didn't you stop? How could you move ahead when you know that the pot has fallen? The man once again very calmly replied, It is because I not only know, but I very well understand that there is no point going back to the spot where the pot fell and cry over spilt milk. Well, if you don't mind, can you get me the spilt milk back into the pot again as it was before? The other man nodded his head in a negative gesture. Then, why should I go back and waste my time in something which is beyond repair? The other man had no reply this time, and seeing this, both of them walked away quietly. So, my friends, what did you understand? Many a times we too do the same thing in our lives. We keep on revisiting the incidents from our past again and again and keep pondering over them. Sometimes we even blame ourselves for things that have happened in the past. This unnecessary worrying is the main reason of causing stress. Tell me one thing. Can any one of you go back to your past and change even a bit of what has already happened? No. Neither you nor me, nobody can do that. So, what should we do then? Just like the man in the incident, all of us must move on in our lives without looking back at the broken pot of the past and without worrying about the spilt milk. My dear friends, don't let anything from your past ruin your present life. Remember, life is a gift of God to live and cherish. So be happy and stay calm. Live this moment with positivity and enthusiasm. Life is just awesome and you are wonderful. This is Henry Sir signing off. Do follow us on YouTube and Instagram. God bless you. Keep smiling.